Hi guys, welcome back to our video again. So in this video, we want to find out what's wrong with the CVT. What's happening is that when we start the bike and stationary and you accelerate, when we accelerate, everything sounds okay. But once you ride on it, it has load, it has some weird noise. So now we are set on the bike, and then let's see whether you can hear it from the camera here. I guess it's from the CVT. As you can hear, once we accelerate it a little bit, it will have that, I don't know, some cranky noise. So we got to open up the CVT and see what's wrong, because this just happened all of a sudden. And then one thing we realized is that the air filter is originally green and then now it becomes yellow after use. Interesting. Okay, so what we got to do now is we will try to change the belt and roller and see whether we still have that noise. If there is, then we might send it to some expert to check it out, but let's see what we can do now. In order to remove this CVD system, you have to remove the bottom panel. So we have to remove all this screw, 1, 2, 3, 4, two bolt, one here and one here, and 2 rivet at the front. Okay, we will take this panel out from the bottom. So now we will remove all this CVD cover bolt. It's a 8mm. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a 5, 6, 7, 8 of them, and then 2 in the middle here. So you got 2 long screw, which is the one in the middle, and then you have your 4 medium bolt, which is at the rail, and then a 4 short one, which is the one closer to your engine block. Those are the shorter one. So everything looks okay. So what we got to do now is to take out all the components and then do an inspection. From what we see here, everything looks okay. So we will need this Y tool, I don't know what is it called, to hold on to this plate, and then we will use a 22mm to loosen it. Okay, so we drain out the gear oil, we see a lot of metal shaving. This is really crazy a lot. So probably there's something wrong with the gear. We gotta send it to the professional to inspect. So we brought our bike here to Dream Motorworks. They are specialists for Honda bikes, so they know Honda bikes very well. So the bearing is gone. You can see all the metal shaving here. Okay, so we got back the bike, so everything works fine. So as you can hear, the crackling sound is gone. Okay, so another thing we did is we actually have an issue with the throttle. So when you full throttle it, there will be a power cut on the bike. What we did is actually we replaced this throttle body sensor, and now it's all good. So the key issue here is the bearing. Since we replaced the bearing, we require to open up the whole CVT transmission. We have also replaced the belt, U-clip and roller. So everything is all good. So I'll say this PCX is all done up. There's nothing else that needs to be repaired or do up. So from here we can see that although we can do most of the DIY, but however some repair needs to be done professionally, still requires a professional mechanic and a shop. That's why we choose not to do it ourselves, because we are not familiar with it. So we can say that it's not everything you can DIY on your own. Some jobs still needs to leave to the professional. So alright guys, this will be the end of this video. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one. Bye bye.